Every night, I hear it, that peculiar sound echoing through the woods. Living alone in this old cabin for the past 30 years, I've grown accustomed to nature's symphony. But this is different. It started 3 weeks ago. At first, I thought it was just the wind playing tricks, or maybe a wounded animal. But then I noticed the markings. Deep, angular cuts in the trees surrounding my property. They appeared overnight, and they're not like anything I've seen in all my years as a forest ranger. These aren't bear claws or vandals with knives. The patterns, they almost look like ancient symbols, changing slightly every night. I've tried photographing them, but the pictures always come out blurry, no matter how steady my hands are. Last night, the sound came closer than ever before. It was like a low hum mixed with whispers in a language I can't understand. I sat in my rocking chair, clutching my old shotgun, watching the tree line through my window. The strangest part, the markings now form a perfect circle around my cabin. I know I should leave, find somewhere else to live, but this place, it's all I have left. And sometimes, in the dead of night, I swear those symbols glow with a faint blue light. I'm starting to wonder if they're not trying to get in but rather keeping something else out.